Discovering the wonders, waterfalls and geysers. Hello, language explorers. Today, we'll be journeying into the world of natural places, specifically focusing on two amazing natural phenomena, waterfalls and geysers. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only be able to describe these natural beauties in English, but also enrich your vocabulary. Let's dive in. Imagine you're standing near the edge of a cliff, feeling the mist on your face, hearing the thunderous sound of water hitting the pool below. That's right, we're talking about waterfalls. A waterfall is where water flows over a vertical drop or a series of steep drops in a river or stream. Now, let's look at some descriptive words and phrases we can use to talk about waterfalls. Majestic. A great word to describe something that's impressive or awe-inspiring, like a waterfall. Thunderous. This describes the loud sound that a large waterfall makes. Misty or foggy. This describes the spray of water that you can often see at the bottom of a waterfall. Flowing. This word describes the continuous movement of the water. We might describe a waterfall in a sentence like this. The majestic waterfall had a thunderous roar, and the area around it was always misty from the water flowing down. Next up, let's journey to another exciting natural phenomenon, geysers. A geyser is a spring characterized by intermittent discharge of water ejected turbulently and accompanied by steam. Again, let's enrich our vocabulary with words and phrases describing geysers. Erupting. This is the word we use to describe when a geyser is shooting out water and steam. Intermittent. This means something that doesn't happen continuously, but starts and stops, much like a geyser. Turbulent. A great word for describing the violent, unsteady movement of water or air. Steamy. As geysers are often accompanied by steam, this is a great word to use when describing them. Here's how we might put it in a sentence. The erupting geyser was a sight to behold, with its intermittent and turbulent bursts of water, and the surrounding air was steamy. And that's a wrap, explorers. Today, we've learned about describing waterfalls and geysers in English and expanded our vocabulary with some new words and phrases. Remember, the best way to learn is by practice. So try to use these new words in your conversations or writing. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.